Hello and a very warm welcome from everybody here at AMT Specialist Cars in Leeds. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I'm sure that you will find it useful. I have the absolute pleasure to be showing you around and demonstrating some of the features on this other hand-selected Audi product. So what we have here is a 2021 Audi A6 Avant Black Edition. Comes complete with full Audi service history. Most recently serviced on the 8th of May 2022 at 20,101 miles, and the car now has only covered 28,560. Absolute fine example, and on top of all the standard specification we have £1,060 of factory fitted optional extras. Now I must start with the Mythos Black metallic paint. Absolutely stunning. The car's been very well looked after. That was £685 from new. We have some other great standard specification, including these lovely 20-inch alloy wheels. Absolutely fabulous. You can also see we have the black roof rails and privacy glass from the B pillar backwards. Really does finish the car off very well. As I just bring us round to the offside here and into the cockpit. What a lovely place it is to be. Now the flat bottomed 3-spoke leather multifunctional steering wheel is also another cost option. That was £375 from new. And then we can also advise we have the 2-stage electric memory driver's seat, reversing camera, satellite navigation, and heated front seats, and most recent Audi MMI interface. Just start the vehicle up. While that's loading, we have the introductory music there. We have the half leather and half alcantara cloth finish. Heated seats, as previously mentioned, as well as dual zone climate control, and all the necessary infotainment systems required, including the likes of your navigation, Bluetooth, DAB radio, everything that you could want. Just have another step back and have a look at this fine example. Really is beautiful, and that just leaves me to thank you very much for taking the time to watch the video. For any further questions, please contact our award-winning sales team. We're on hand to discuss all your requirements, including financing and paint protection for that beautiful Mythos Black metallic paintwork. Thank you, and we look forward to speaking to you soon.